हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अगेन वेलकम बैक टू दिस चैनल। प्रभावी कंपटीशन अब मैं आपको स्वागत करता हूँ। एंड इस वीडियो में हम लोग अप्रैल मंथ का करंट अफेयर 2022 का देखेंगे। इससे पहले मार्च तक का ऑलरेडी आई हैव कवर्ड, ठीक है। तो उसको आप प्लेलिस्ट पेज पे जाके देख लीजिएगा, आपको मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। एंड इस वीडियो में हम लोग अप्रैल पूरा कवर करेंगे। सो लेट्स बिगिन। चैनल पर नया तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए, बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि ऐसे ही वीडियोज़, अगर आपको कंटेंट आप लाइक करते हैं, ऐसे कंटेंट आपको चाहिए तो मैं लाता रहता हूँ, ठीक है। पहला यहाँ पे विच डे वाज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 1 अप्रैल 2022। करेक्ट आंसर है उत्कल दिवस। अप्रैल 1 को क्या मनाया जाता है? उत्कल दिवस मनाया जाता है, ठीक है, उत्कल दिवस। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं द 20th बाइलेटरल नेवल एक्सरसाइज। 20th बाइलेटरल नेवल एक्सरसाइज वरुण 2022 हेल्ड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड विच कंट्री। तो ये 1 अप्रैल को स्टार्ट हुआ था इंडिया और फ्रांस के बीच में। 1 अप्रैल को वरुण 2022 20वां एडिशन स्टार्ट हुआ था। विच स्टेट चीफ मिनिस्टर हैज़ लॉन्च्ड कैच द रेन कैंपेन 2022। करेक्ट आंसर है मणिपुर। कैच द रेन कैंपेन अभी स्टार्ट किया 1 अप्रैल को मणिपुर के सीएम ने। द बुक द टाइगर ऑफ द्रास ऑथर्ड बाय हुम। करेक्ट आंसर है मीना नैयर। मीना नैयर ने इसको ऑथर किया था, मीना नैयर ने, ठीक है। द टाइगर ऑफ द्रास। हु बिकम द हाइएस्ट विकेट टेकर इन आईपीएल ऑन अप्रैल 1। करेक्ट आंसर ड्वेन ब्रावो। ड्वेन ब्रावो 1 अप्रैल को हाइएस्ट विकेट टेकर बन गए हैं आईपीएल में। विच डे वॉज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 2 अप्रैल। करेक्ट आंसर इज इंटरनेशनल चिल्ड्रंस अवार्ड डे। इंटरनेशनल चिल्ड्रंस अवार्ड डे 2 अप्रैल को मनाया जाता है। विच कंट्री हैज़ डिक्लेयर्ड ए पब्लिक इमरजेंसी ड्यू टू इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस। करेक्ट आंसर है श्रीलंका। श्रीलंका ने इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस जो है पब्लिक इमरजेंसी घोषित कर दिया है। विच स्टेट हैज़ बिकम लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स। सही आंसर है उत्तर प्रदेश। सही आंसर है उत्तर प्रदेश, ठीक है। नंबर 2 पे कौन है? नंबर 2 पे है वेस्ट बंगाल और नंबर 3 पे है बिहार, ठीक है। आगे बढ़ेंगे। वेयर वॉज द मतुआ धर्मा महामेला। मातुआ धर्मा महामेला 2022 ऑर्गेनाइज। करेक्ट आंसर है वेस्ट बंगाल। 2 अप्रैल को ये ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था। द न्यू बॉल फॉर फीफा वर्ल्ड कप 2022 हैज़ बीन रिलीज्ड ऑन अप्रैल 22। व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ इट? करेक्ट आंसर है अल रिहाला। नया बॉल फीफा वर्ल्ड कप 2022 का रिलीज हुआ है, इसका नाम है अल रिहाला। अल रिहाला। विच कंट्री क्रिकेटर पीटर नेविले हैज़ अनाउंस्ड हिज रिटायरमेंट ऑन अप्रैल 2। करेक्ट आंसर है ऑस्ट्रेलिया। हु हैज़ वन द आईसीसी वुमेंस क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप 2022। करेक्ट आंसर है ऑस्ट्रेलिया। ये वर्ल्ड कप जो है ये चल रहा था न्यूजीलैंड में और इसको जीत लिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने, ठीक है। आगे बढ़ेंगे। विच मिनिस्ट्री लॉन्च्ड टेम्पल 360 वेबसाइट। टेम्पल 360 वेबसाइट ऑन अप्रैल 3। करेक्ट आंसर यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर। यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर टेम्पल 360 वेबसाइट। According to report released on April 4, who has become the richest person in India and Asia? Correct answer है गौतम अडानी। गौतम अडानी, इन्होंने मुकेश अंबानी को पीछे छोड़ दिया है। Which state government has launched crop insurance portal of मुख्यमंत्री बागवानी बीमा योजना? Correct answer is हरियाणा। According to report, who has ranked first among the states with lowest unemployment rate in the country? करेक्ट आंसर है छत्तीसगढ़। छत्तीसगढ़ में सबसे कम अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट है, लोएस्ट है। हु हैज वन द मियामी ओपन टेनिस? करेक्ट आंसर है मियामी ओपन टेनिस 2022 ईगा स्वीटेक। हु हैज वन बेस्ट चिल्ड्रन म्यूजिक एल्बम अवार्ड? करेक्ट आंसर इज फाल्गुनी शाह। ग्रैमी अवार्ड मिला है। बेस्ट चिल्ड्रन म्यूजिक एल्बम अवार्ड अंडर ग्रैमी अवार्ड अप्रैल 4 को फाल्गुनी शाह को दिया गया है। विच स्टेट्स चंद्रपुर हैज़ बिन रिकॉर्डेड द थर्ड हॉटेस्ट प्लेस इन द वर्ल्ड? चंद्रपुर इज इन महाराष्ट्र में पड़ता है। थर्ड हॉटेस्ट प्लेस इन द वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड किया गया इसको, चंद्रपुर को. विच डे वॉज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 5 अप्रैल 2022, नेशनल सी डे, नेशनल सी डे. Which state got a new map with 13 new districts on April 5? Correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. From which district CM of Uttar Pradesh has started School Chalo Abhiyan? Correct answer Shravasti. Correct answer Shravasti. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath started School Chalo Abhiyan from Shravasti. Which state chief minister has launched the Kaval कवल उधा उथावी कवल उथावी ऐप ऑन 5 अप्रैल? करेक्ट आंसर तमिलनाडु. कवल उथावी ऐप तमिलनाडु. विच डे वाज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 6 अप्रैल? करेक्ट आंसर इज इंटरनेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे फॉर डेवलपमेंट एंड पीस. 6 अप्रैल इंटरनेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे फॉर डेवलपमेंट एंड पीस. कम्युनिटी म्यूजियम हैज स्टार्टेड इन गया गया ससोमा विलेज of which state? Correct answer is Ladakh. Ladakh. Who has topped Hurun richest self-made woman in the world 2022, released on April 6? Correct answer is China. China. China has topped Hurun richest self-made woman ranking. ठीक है, चाइना ने जीता है, टॉप किया है. Who has received Chameli Devi Jain Award 2021? Correct answer Arifa Jauhari. Arifa Jauhari. Chameli Devi Jain Award. Arifa Jauhari. Which day was celebrated on 7th April? Correct answer is World Health Day. World Health Day. Who has topped the list of 2022 billionaire released by Forbes April 7th को? Elon Musk. Elon Musk has topped the लिस्ट, फोर्ब्स का लिस्ट है. हु वॉज नॉमिनेटेड फॉर सरस्वती सम्मान 2021 अप्रैल 7 को? तो करेक्ट आंसर है रामदरस मिश्रा. रामदरस मिश्रा. करेक्ट आंसर इज रामदरस मिश्रा, सरस्वती सम्मान 2021. ऑन अप्रैल 7, 2022, in which city of India new variant of corona has been found? Correct answer is Mumbai. Mumbai. On April 7, 2022, President Ramnath Kovind has named a species of yellow tulip flower as Maitri in which country? Correct answer is Netherlands. Netherlands. On April 8, 2022, who has tied up with 3 firms for satellite internet launch? Correct answer is Amazon. Amazon has tied up with 3 firms for satellite internet launch. Who has been honored with Sant Namdev National Award? Correct answer is Satyapal Malik. Sant Namdev National Award, Satyapal Malik. Who has topped QS World University ranking released on April 8? Correct answer is Massachusetts in IT, MIT इसको बोलते हैं. Which country has successfully launched new satellite Guofen 303 for Earth observation on 8th April? Correct answer is China. Correct answer is China. In which state One Health framework has been started as pilot project on 9th April? Correct answer is Uttarakhand. One Health framework for started as a pilot project. One Health framework. Which country's photographer has won World Press Photo of the Year 2022? Correct answer Canada. Correct answer Canada. Who has launched Avasar scheme on 9th April 2022? Correct answer Airport Authority of India, Avasar scheme. Who has become first Hindi novel to be selected for the International Booker Prize? Correct answer is Tomb of Sand. Tomb of Sand. Which day was celebrated on 10th April? Correct answer is World Homeopathy Day. Which COVID vaccine has been suspended by WHO? Correct answer is Covaxin. Covaxin. Okay. Covaxin is suspended by WHO. Who topped the list of world richest self-made women 2021 ऑन अप्रैल 10, तो ये चाइना की है। वू यजून, वू यजून, वू यजून। ऑन अप्रैल 10, 2022, Pixel launched its first satellite with SpaceX. What is her name? Correct answer is Sakuntala. Pixel launched its first satellite with SpaceX. The name is Sakuntala. Next, which day was celebrated on 11th April? Correct answer is World Parkinson Day. World Parkinson Day. It is a disease. Okay. Which country has successfully test fired Shaheen 3 missile on April 11? Correct answer is पाकिस्तान। पाकिस्तान ने फायर किया है शाहीन 3 मिसाइल ऑन अप्रैल 11, 2022। शाहीन 3। नेक्स्ट, हु हैज़ वन प्रेस्टिजियस ओ हेनरी अवार्ड? ओ हेनरी अवार्ड, करेक्ट आंसर इज अमर मित्रा। ओ हेनरी अवार्ड किसको मिला है? अमर मित्रा को। हु हैज़ लॉन्च्ड वन स्टेशन वन प्रोडक्ट इनिशिएटिव? करेक्ट आंसर इज साउथ सेंट्रल रेलवे। साउथ सेंट्रल रेलवे, one station one product. Who has topped Niti Aayog State Energy and Climate Index? Correct answer is Gujarat. It was released on 11th April. How many medals India won in uh, Thailand boxing Open boxing Thailand tournament 2022? Correct answer is 10. 10. Who won the F1 Formula One Australian Grand Prix? Correct answer is Charles Leclerc. According to information, 11th April 2022, which state Kangra tea get GI tag? So Kangra tea is in Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer Himachal Pradesh. Which day was celebrated on 12th April? Correct answer is International Day of Human Space Flight. Who has been honored with 56th Gyanpith Award on 12th April? Correct answer Neelmani Phukan. Neelmani Phukan, okay, and he belongs to Assam. And a Konkani writer won the 57th Gyanpith Award. Konkani writer Mojo won the 57th Gyanpith Award. Where did DRDO successfully test anti-tank guided missile Helena on April 12? Correct answer is Rajasthan. It is indigenously built. ठीक है, भारत ने ही बनाना है, DRDO ने ही बनाया है हेलिना को. Which IIT has made India's first indigenous polycentric prosthetic knee? Correct answer is IIT Madras. IIT Madras. Where was 4th US-India 2+2 ministerial dialogue held on April 12? Correct answer is Washington DC. Washington DC में हुआ ये. Who has been chosen ICC Player of the Month March 2022? Babar Azam and Rachel Haynes. Which day was celebrated on 13th April? Correct answer is Siachen Day. Siachen Day is celebrated on 13th April. Who will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer will be Australia. 2026 Commonwealth Games will be held in Australia. Who has become the fastest Indian player to hit 100 sixes on April 13th, 2022? Correct answer is Hardik Pandya. Hardik Pandya has become fastest Indian player to hit 100 sixes. Where is the first Khelo India national ranking women's archery tournament held? Correct answer Jharkhand. First था ये खेलो इंडिया नेशनल रैंकिंग वुमेन्स आर्चरी टूर्नामेंट, झारखंड. Which country has become the first to give legal rights to the wild animals? Correct answer Ecuador. Correct answer Ecuador. Who was awarded the first Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award on April 13th? Correct answer PM Narendra Modi. Who will host ICC Men's T20 World Cup? वेस्ट इंडीज़ 2024 का. वेस्ट इंडीज़ एंड अमेरिका. वेस्ट इंडीज़ एंड अमेरिका. हु हैज़ वन EY European Union Entrepreneur of the Year award on 13th 2022? Correct answer is Falguni Nair. Which day was celebrated on 14th April? Correct answer is World Chagas World Chagas Disease Day. World Chagas Disease Day. Who has won FIH Junior Women's Hockey World Cup 2022? Correct answer is नीदरलैंड. नीदरलैंड ने जीत लिया है FIH का जूनियर वुमेन्स हॉकी वर्ल्ड कप 2022. नीदरलैंड. Who has become the new head coach? Who has become the new head coach of Australia men's cricket team? करेक्ट आंसर है एंड्रयू मैकडोनल्ड. एंड्रयू मैकडोनल्ड. एंड्रयू मैकडोनल्ड. ठीक है. On April 14th 2022, World Bank has projected India's growth rate to what percent in the financial year? Correct answer is 8%. 2023 के लिए 8% प्रिडिक्ट किया इन्होंने. Who has won prestigious Reykjavik Open Chess Tournament? Correct answer is R. Pragyanand. R. Pragyanand. Which state celebrated its foundation day on 15th April? Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which country will host Street Child Cricket World Cup 2023? Correct answer is India. India will host Street Child Cricket World Cup 2023. Which state government has announced to launch Him Prahari scheme? Correct answer is Government of Uttarakhand. Him Prahari scheme, Government of Uttarakhand. With which IIT and Indian Air Force has agreement been signed with for maintenance of weapon system? Correct answer is IIT Madras. Who was awarded the International Gandhi 2021 for leprosy on April 15th? Correct answer is Bhushan Kumar and Leprosy Trust, Gujarat. ठीक है. गांधी पीस प्राइज, इंटरनेशनल गांधी प्राइज 2021 फॉर लेप्रोसी, भूषण कुमार एंड लेप्रोसी ट्रस्ट, गुजरात. Which day was celebrated on 16th April? Correct answer is World Voice Day. Where is the New Year festival Poila Baisakh celebrated on April 16th? Correct answer is Bangladesh. Who won 71st Senior National Basketball Championship? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Where did the 40th edition of Hunar Haat begin on 16th April? Correct answer is Mumbai. Who has been honored with Maclone Adisessia Award? Correct answer is Prabhat Patnaik. Prabhat Patnaik. Next question. Neptune missile system, which was in news on April 16, is related to which country? Correct answer is Ukraine. Which country has successfully test fired Iron Beam on 16th April? Correct answer is Israel. Which state government has announced to celebrate 14th April as Equality Day? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Moscow, which was in news on April 16, is a famous wasif of which country? Correct answer is Russia. Rachna Sachdev has been appointed as Ambassador of India to which country? Correct answer is Mali. Rachna Sachdev, Ambassador of India to Mali. According to information on April 17th, where will NHPC develop green hydrogen project? Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which state chief minister has launched 1064 anti-corruption mobile app? Correct answer is Uttarakhand. Who has become largest consumer of gold in the world? Correct answer is China. Which IIT tied up with NTPC to develop energy efficient technology? Correct answer is IIT Guwahati. Which day was celebrated on 18th April? Correct answer is World Heritage Day. Which state has become first to develop migration tracking system app? Correct answer is Maharashtra. Where has India's first internet radio Daksh launched for visually impaired people? Correct answer is Nagpur. Internet radio, Radio Daksh, launched for visually impaired people. It was in Nagpur. Which country has suspended agricultural import from India? Correct answer is Indonesia. Which country has successfully launched Zhongxing 6D satellite into space? Correct answer is China. Zhongxing 6D satellite, China. Which day was celebrated on 19th April? Correct answer is World Liver Day. World Liver Day. Where has the Trisakti Corps of Indian Army organized Kripan Sakti exercise? Correct answer is West Bengal. Tropical storm Megi. Megi has caused massive destruction in which country? Correct answer is Philippines. Megi has caused massive destruction in Philippines. Philippines is the right answer. Let's move further. Which state has become first in the country to get L root server? Correct answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan has become first state in the country to get L root server. Which Indian American has been appointed as defense advisor to Kamala Harris? Correct answer is Santi Sethi. Santi Sethi, defense advisor to Kamala Harris. Who has been appointed as director, finance and CFO by ONGC? Correct answer is Pomila Jaspal. Where is Karaga Temple Festival celebrated? Karaga Temple Festival celebrated in Karnataka. सही आंसर है कर्नाटक. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट है हु हैज़ वन टाइटल ऑफ 48th ला रोडा इंटरनेशनल ओपन चेस टूर्नामेंट? करेक्ट आंसर है डी गुकीस. ओके. हु हैज़ launched world first crypto enabled payment card? Correct answer is Nexo has launched it. Which country has successfully test fired the nuclear capable missile Sarmat? Correct answer is Russia. Sarmat is launched by Russia. Which country cricketer Kieron Pollard has retired from international cricket? Correct answer is West Indies. Who topped the Hurun Global Healthcare Rich List 2022? Correct answer is Cyrus S. Poonawalla. Where has Guruji student credit card scheme started? Correct answer is Jharkhand. Guruji student credit card scheme, Jharkhand. Shivamogga Airport under construction in Karnataka will be named after B.S. Yedurappa. Where India's first pure green hydrogen plant has started on April 21? Correct answer is Assam. First pure green hydrogen plant, Assam. Which day was celebrated on 22nd April? Correct answer is World Earth Day. Who has become the first country in the world to ban destructive satellite? Correct answer is America. Who has been honored with Young Global Leader Award on April 22? Correct answer is Raghav Chadda is Young Global Leader Award. आम आदमी पार्टी के ये नेता हैं. Where will be the world's largest electric 3-wheeler factory be set up? Correct answer is Telangana. Which state's Bishnupur district has received Prime Minister's Award for Excellence? Correct answer is Manipur. With which country has Kerala government signed an agreement for the Cosmos Malabaricus project? Correct answer is Netherlands. Who will host India's first international cruise conference? Correct answer is Mumbai. Which day was celebrated on 23rd April? World Book and Copyright Day. Which Indian cricketer has been named in Wisden's 5 Cricketer of the Year 2022? Correct answer is Rohit Sharma. Who has been elected as new global Peace Ambassador on April 23? Correct answer is Babita Singh. Global Peace Ambassador on 23 April, Babita Singh. Who has become new chairman of Hajj Committee of India? Correct answer is Abdullah Kutti. Who has been appointed as General Manager of ICC on April 23? Correct answer is Wasim Khan. Wasim Khan has been appointed General Manager of ICC. Let's move further. Which day was celebrated on 24th April? Correct answer is National Panchayati Raj Day. National Panchayati Raj Day. Who has tied up with Delhi Jal Board to convert waste into energy? Correct answer is NTPC. NTPC will convert in the tie-up with Delhi Jal Board to convert waste into energy. Where has the new ship Urja Parwah been inducted in Indian Coast Guard? Correct answer is Bharuch, Gujarat. On April 24th, 2022, government has set a target of how many metric ton of food grains production? Correct answer is 328 metric ton food grain production for financial year 2022-23. For how many days Prime Minister's Garib Kalyan package has been extended? Correct answer is 180 days. Which day was celebrated on 25th April? Correct answer is World Malaria Day. With whom has MG Motor India partnered with to promote EV charging infrastructure on 25th April? Correct answer is BPCL. MG Motor of India partnered with BPCL. Which day was celebrated on 26th April? World Intellectual Property Day. World Intellectual Property Day. Which country has topped the global military expenditure according to SIPRI? Correct answer is America. Which state Jamtara district has become the first district? Jamtara district, first district to have library in every village. Correct answer is Jharkhand. Where is Khongjom Day celebrated on 26th April? Correct answer is Manipur. Who has participated as guest of honor country at Paris Book Festival 2022? Correct answer is India. Guest of honor country at Paris Book Festival 26th April, India. Which state has announced to celebrate Minority Right Day on December 18? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Which state has announced to celebrate Minority Right Day on 18th December? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Who has received Champions of Earth Lifetime Achievement Award? 27 अप्रैल को दिया गया सर डेविड एटेनबोरो को अर्थ चैंपियंस ऑफ अर्थ लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड. Which has been named the UNESCO World Book Capital? Correct answer is Guadalajara. Guadalajara. The president of which country has received the John F. Kennedy Prize? Correct answer is Ukraine. John F. Kennedy Prize, Ukraine. Where has the India's first community radio station दूधवानी inaugurated? Correct answer is Gujarat. इंडिया का पहला कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टेशन दूधवानी inaugurated on April 27 in Gujarat. Where is Pranhita Puskarlu Festival 2022 celebrated? Correct answer is Telangana. Pranhit Puskarlu Festival 2022 celebrated on April 27, Telangana. Which space agency Perseverance has captured the video of solar eclipse on March? करेक्ट आंसर इज नासा. Perseverance जो है मार्स पे सोलर इक्लिप्स का पिक्चर वीडियो जो है भेजा है. विच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ लॉन्च्ड ए सोशल अवेयरनेस कैंपेन सांस? करेक्ट आंसर इज कर्नाटक. Who has been sworn in as the Assistant Commerce Minister for the Global Markets? Correct answer is Arun Venkatraman. Arun Venkatraman, Assistant Commerce Minister for Global Markets. Which day was celebrated on 28th April? Correct answer is Global Day for Safety and Health at Work. Global Day for Safety and Health at Work. Who will host 21st World Congress of Accounts 2022? Correct answer is India. India will host 21st World Congress of Accounts 2022. Which state government has launched a music project to promote music? Correct answer is Meghalaya. who has signed an agreement with Equinor of Norway for clean energy on April 8, 28? Correct answer is ONGC. M. Bijayan has passed away on April 28. Who were they? Correct answer is biologist थे ये M. Bijayan. Who become the first city to install vacuum based sewer system on April 28? Correct answer is Agra. Agra vacuum based sewer system. Which day was celebrated on 29th April? International Dance Day. Nacho. Let's Nacho. Which has become first Indian company to reach MCAP of market cap of 19 lakh crore as on April 29th 2022. Correct answer is Reliance Industry. Robert Golov. Robert Golov has been elected as the new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is Slovenia. Robert Golov has been elected as the new Prime Minister of Slovenia. On April 29th 2022, who has been appointed as the Chairman of NASSCOM for 2022-2023? Correct answer is Krishnan Ramanujan. Krishnan Ramanujan. With whom has L&T signed an agreement to develop green hydrogen? Correct answer is IIT Bombay. According to information released on 30th April, which country will host the world's largest cyber exercise? Correct answer is Estonia. Estonia. Who became the first airline to use indigenous navigation system Gagan? Correct answer is Indigo. Indigo. What is the rank of India in CIPRI trends in World Military Expenditure Report 2021? Correct answer is third. India ranked third in the CIPRI's trends in World Military Expenditure Report 2021. Third rank. Which day was celebrated on 30th April? Correct answer is World Veterinary Day. Which day was celebrated on 30th April? Correct answer is World Veterinary Day. Who has appointed as the new Vice Chief of Army Staff? Correct answer is Lieutenant General B.S. Raju. Who has won the prestigious Wheatley Gold Award? Correct answer is चारुदत्त मिश्रा. चारुदत्त मिश्रा. तो अप्रैल यहाँ पे ख़त्म हुआ. दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम द वीडियो. मई का आखिरी महीना अगले वीडियो में कवर कर देंगे. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. बाय बाय.